This is a short class on the topic of break-even to show you how to use it on a spreadsheet. It's a very straightforward exercise and it'll only take a short time to do. So let's look at some figures and the associated graph. So there is a set of figures, a very simple set of figures, and I'll just put the cursor onto the screen. On the right hand side here we've got this graph which is generated in Excel. Now I expect you to be able to go to Excel and insert a graph such as that by just sort of playing around with the Excel functionality. It can be easily done and formatted as well. If you can't do it straight away, then there's plenty of support online and tutorials online to show you how to do it. So I'm going to focus instead on the break-even material. So over here I've got the quantity of output, 1 down to 20. And here I've got the price. The price is fixed. So the producer is selling the product at a fixed price of 5. All the items cost 5. So here's the quantity produced. So if it produced, for example, 10 at a price of 5, so it sold 10 at 5, it would have a revenue of 50. 20 times 5 is 100. Now we've also got the fixed costs, which are here. Let's say they're 30. And we've also got the variable costs. These are the costs per unit. So the best way to see that is to look at the total cost on the right hand side. So let's say we produce 1, the total cost is 32. So we've got 30 plus 2 times 1. 1 output, 2 variable cost, 30 plus 2 is 32. Likewise, we go to 10. We've got 30, 2 times 10, which is 20. So 2 tens plus the 30 is 50. 50. And just to labour the point, here we're in the very bottom on 20, we've got the fixed cost 30, the variable cost 2, 2 times 20 is 40, 40 plus 30 is 70. And that's what's reproduced inside in this graph. You can actually play with this if you want to. Let's say for some reason the fixed costs here increased to 40. There you go. It's just amends the chart straight away. If we change a few of them, you'll see it looks like that. Let's just change it back. And likewise with the price, if we move the price to 8, you see the price line changes, and we could change it over a sequence and we get this sort of relationship. It's possible playing games, just looking at different scenarios to see what it looks like. But really that's all I need to do in terms of break even. The actual quantity, by the way, with the first set of figures we've got here, the quantity here is the total revenue is equal to total cost, and the total revenue is price times quantity. That's the amount brought in. The number of units sold, Q, times the respective price. That's equal to the fixed costs plus the variable costs times the quantity, which of course is just 5Q, the price is 5, Q is whatever it is here, so 5Q is equal to 30 plus 2Q, twice the quantity. In other words, if we transpose, take the 2q across to the left hand side, we've got 5q minus 2q, which is 3q, is equal to 30, and q is equal to 10. So the break even here is 10, if you want to calculate it using very simple mathematics. Okay, so that's a quick look at break even using a spreadsheet. And that's all I need to say on this topic. So thank you for watching.